You are looking at the all-new George Fisher Model RGBN squaring and prepping tool. It covers a range of 1 to 4.5 inch tubing sizes. As you can see, it features easy removal and installation of the clamping collet sets. The cutting tool bit is dual-sided for longer life and can be adjusted from the center line out to a full 4.5 inches with ease. It has a single pull-style clamping lever, which makes it really easy to load and unload your workpiece. The chip produced is rolled out and away from the tubing inside wall, keeping the electropolished surface free of scratches. The RGB also has a chip tray and a swing-out chip guard for your convenience. We think you will like how this new tool from George Fisher works, so give us a call today and find out more about this fine tool.